Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. You know, it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So we're here Monday morning, March 2nd, 2020. It's approximately 8 a.m. So we did a previous video. On this project at the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Maxwell Avenue. We did one on Saturday, that's February 29, and one on Sunday, March 1st. So today, March 2nd, we're taking a look or an update on the work. I know some persons said that the project wouldn't be finished for Monday morning. Some persons believe it should have been started from Friday night instead of Saturday night. But we're gonna see the progress of the work. Hagley Park Road is still closed off, so no traffic is going through Hagley Park Road. But other sections of the road is opened. So let's see if the National Works Agency gets a passing grade, a failing grade, or they should have started Friday night, or they should have done it in phases over a week or two. So definitely leave your comments, guys. Let me know what you think about the project. I'm just doing the intro from here because out there is a bit noisy. Like, share and subscribe if you're new. So this is a very short video, just giving you guys an update on what's happening. Busy Monday morning. Everybody's running off to work, to school. I know one of the persons on the video for yesterday, which I'll put in the link and also pin it in the comments. They said they're betting $2,000 that the project will not be finished. So let's see if he lost $2,000 virtually or not. So let's get a bit closer now, guys, and remember, subscribe, like, comment and share, and thanks for watching. So we see the police helping with traffic while the work is ongoing. The traffic coming from Maxwell Avenue. Alright guys, remember to leave your comments, like, subscribe and share. And thanks for watching this update on the Hagley Park Road intersection upgrade.